What's the difference between public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud? And why does it actually matter? If those terms sound confusing, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand them clearly and be able to explain them to someone else. In the last video, we talked about cloud services like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. But now we're answering a different question. Where is your cloud actually running? That's what cloud deployment models are all about. There are three main ones: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. And the key difference is who owns the infrastructure and who can access it. Let's use a housing analogy. Think about where you live. A hotel shared with lots of people. A private house, it's just yours. A house with some services outsourced, it's a mix. That's basically how cloud models work. Each option gives you different levels of privacy, control, and costs. So first, let's start with public cloud. In public cloud, the infrastructure is owned by a cloud provider. Resources are shared between multiple customers. You access everything over the internet. Now, some examples of real-world providers: Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. Even though resources are shared, your data is still kept separate and secure. Now, analogy, this is like staying in a hotel. Many people use the same building, but each person has their own room. Now, the benefits: very cost effective. You only pay for what you use. Easy to scale up or down, no maintenance or physical hardware. Now, downsides though: less control over the infrastructure. Some organizations worry about security or compliance. Now, some common uses you'll see: hosting websites, app development, startups, and small businesses. Next, let's talk about private cloud. In a private cloud, the infrastructure is used by only one organization. It can be hosted on-site or by a third party. No sharing with other companies. Now, analogy for this one is like owning your own home. Everything is yours. You control who enters and how it's set up. Now, the benefits: higher security and privacy, more control over systems and data, and better for strict compliance requirements. Downsides though: more expensive, requires management and maintenance, and less flexible than public clouds. Common uses: banks, government systems, healthcare organizations, anywhere that handles sensitive data. Finally, hybrid clouds. Hybrid clouds combine both. Some resources run in a private cloud, others run in a public cloud. They are connected and work together. Analogy: this is like owning a house but using hotel services when needed. Or think of it like this: you keep valuables locked at your home but use external storage when you need extra space. An example: a company might store sensitive data in a private cloud but run its website or apps in the public cloud. Now, the benefit: flexibility, cost saving, better control over sensitive data. Downsides: more complex to manage, requires good integration between environments. So let's simplify everything. Public cloud: shared, scalable, cost effective. Private cloud: dedicated, secure, more control. Hybrid cloud: best of both worlds, but more complex. Quick memory trick: public, open to many; private, just for one; hybrid, a mix of both. So now you understand cloud deployment models. Public cloud is shared and flexible, private cloud is secure and controlled, and hybrid cloud combines both for balance. If you're studying for certifications like the Net Plus or the Cloud Plus, this is a core concept you'll definitely see. If this helped make cloud concepts easier, hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly IT videos, and check out the next lesson where we'll dive deeper into real-world cloud use cases. See you in the next one.